is over there snoring again. He doesn't even care if I'm talking about him. Bear the snoring dog. Now he wants to look up at the camera. But he's still snoring. He's just like my granddaddy. Funny little guy.